Hello, folks. Welcome back to another practice session. See if we can do better today than what we did the day before. Okay. Gonna go with the 6-3-3-6. See what the table gives us. Maybe we'll do like 5-6 roll of that and we'll switch it up. A little too high there. 5-2-3, 5 point. Five, 2-3, point made. Same setup. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Oh, we're too high there. 8, 6-2. Gotta get the muscle memory dial in. Gotta warm up. Same set. A little better there. 8, 4-4. Hard way. Point set. Point made. So far, so good. In and out. Okay, same set. See how far we can push this roll. 8, 3-5. Point made. A little too much power there. Nine, 4-5. Okay. We're at 6 roll already. Same set. Nine, 6-3. Very good. As long as you're consistent, that's all that matters. 6, 4-2. A little scary there. Too much power on one of the dice. 4-2 anyway. 6. Flipped it. Same set. Three, 1-2. Nine, 4-5. Just stay focused. That was the 10th row. Five, 4, 2. Still too much power. Land at the right spot, still too much power. So 5, 3, 2. Four, 1, 3. Okay, that's the 12th row. This will be 13. Stay focused. 8, 6, 2. Point made. Okay, 13th row. This will be the 14. Eight, 6, 2. 0.628. Okay, we're at our average max SOR. Let's switch dice set. We're going for the 2-1-6-2 off center grip, overhang, forward rotation. 10 the hard way. 5-5. Just stay focused. Same set. Ten, 6, 4. Very good. So far, I've been consistent today. Should have gone to the casino. It's too cold outside. Same set, same technique. 7, 2, 5. That's 16 row. Crap out on the 17th, so we're missing 2, 11, 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 row. We got 3 point made. Couldn't make the 4. Okay, so some people are a little complaining, and I guess that's a word, or concerned the video being a little bit too long. So I'll try to keep it short. So every time I crap out and think I'll end the video and I'll restart it. Okay, so it's a pretty good run at this time. Take care, and we'll restart the video after this segment to keep the video short.